Every morning when we wake up, we want to fulfill our goal of losing weight. However, for one reason or another, we lose interest. We know it is a bit complicated to maintain that figure, which we have dreamt because one of life's pleasures is food. However, not everything is lost. We can reach our goal, learning to eat delicious and healthy in a progressive way, so that in the end we can change our bad eating habits, without limiting ourselves to eating delicious bread or a piece of chocolate. Losing weight should not be torture. Before starting on the path to a change of life in your diet, the first thing you should consider is to eliminate the word diet from your mind, since it refers to a ban on enjoying the foods we like, which is very far away from reality. Eating a certain diet means carrying out a diet that provides nutrients and energy for the body to function properly in a context of physical and mental health, and it does not always refer to a food limitation. The second step is to stop believing that by accelerating the metabolism, you will lose weight. According to experts, it is a myth, since to achieve the objective it is necessary to change bad eating habits and exercise. The food that is ingested functions as energy for our metabolism, causing the pancreas and thyroid glands to generate digestive enzymes, transforming food into sugar, amino acids, and fatty acids. If you eat in excess, the metabolism will be responsible for storing that energy of calories in the muscles and other parts of the body, as a way of survival. Once the above is understood, then the next step to lose those extra kilos. It is necessary to learn to eat healthily and exercise. How to achieve it? We are going to tell you about the foods and meals that can help you. 1. Green tea. Because of its components, it is known as catechin, and its thermogenic capacity. Green tea is considered an ally to combat fat that accumulates in the abdomen, which puts the heart at risk, because it increases body temperature and has a large diuretic capacity, and eliminates toxins from the body quickly. The main idea is to take it naturally and not processed, that is, stop drinking the commercial drinks that we find in the supermarket, since they contain a lot of sugar and dyes. 2. Ginger tea. Ginger has many health benefits: improves intestinal transit, reduces joint pain, improves blood circulation, prevents colds, and strengthens the immune system. Also, the burning of fat in the abdomen, because taking it causes a thermogenic effect and is anti-inflammatory. To lose weight, you have to drink in the morning on an empty stomach. Prepare it easily by adding water to a bowl over low heat. After it boils for 10 minutes, add 5 pieces of sliced ginger or 2 tablespoons of powdered ginger. 3. Hot lemon water. This citrus breaks down the molecules that form fat, so it is effective for weight loss. Lemon water also serves to detoxify our body because it has potassium, vitamin C, fiber, among other components, which improve blood circulation and strengthen our immune system. To obtain the expected results, lemon water should be taken in the morning. In a glass of warm water, you add the juice of 2 lemons without adding sweeteners. You can even add lemon juice in your daily intake of 2 liters of water, recommended by specialists to hydrate your body. Doing so will help you avoid fluid retention, as well as constipation problems by having better digestion. You will also help your liver to function properly. 4. Eggs. They are an ideal food to lose weight, since they are rich in protein and healthy fats, also to allowing us to be satisfied with low-calorie intake. The ideal way is to eat them hard or cooked, to favor the vitamins and nutrients they contain. Complement your breakfast with a piece of fruit and 2 slices of whole wheat bread. 5. Salmon. Salmon is a type of fish rich in healthy fats and proteins, which will help you lose weight and burn belly fat effectively because it provides 180 calories and 11 grams of fat per 100 grams. Ideally, prepare it steamed or grilled, without adding oil. You can combine it with cooked vegetables and salads, forming complete meals. Remember that to lose weight, you have to exercise for at least 30 minutes a day, drink 2 liters of water, and modify your bad eating habits. Start by taking infusions and eating more vegetables and fruits, so that your body feels satiated, and thus avoid junk food. It is never too late to regain physical health.